Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Katamasa cherry blossom kabade kaway na kitamasa kabahe apo kajela kan salong hakilay sngi lenter kaban sedang nadu ka arpu saw terek hadu ka arpun rio terek hau benai nai wing arajar arpu ar bad hakani katamasa an sawan penbernya da ka kenhun nong tem kabapaw hakapertay kabalatip kum ka magic. Hakani katamasa kipat ba nong wan petkai kin sayo man sakhi da laki jong ki khmat ya katika kenhun kaban satem haka sngi sedang jong cherry blossom kata ka arpu saw terek Pat kani ka kunhun kadai ka balayo ban poy ha ka kerdan ka baningkong jong ka billboard. Katay ka kunhun ka bantem ha ka tamasa cherry blossom kalapin bana bakan saring dur ya ka way ka jingray hanong ba Shillong namar kilayap Biej ka jing itanat ka ba kani ka jaka ka don. Ka kunhun magic kadai ka kunhun ka bami na kasnong Toronto ka badan sawngot chicken hun bat ka jingray ka ba paw bah jong katay ka kunhun kadai ka balatip kum ka root Bat dailing ba katay ka jingray katay ka kunhun kalayo bandrung ha ka kerdan ka baningkong ha ka billboard Hot 100 hadu henrio tayo kabalayat yo ba haki southway tilikiri kabalala di palat kumbashi po million gijingray kibaladan kisngap hadu sanspa million bat kibaladan kinong pet eki video hadu kumba iway pon lai billion ha vivo kakenuhon magic kadan ya kajingray thamai kabapaw ba kabalatip kum ka expectations kabakenthop ru ya kaway kajingray kabapaw ba kabakerteng kiss me Kani ka kenhun kan sa palat ru sa kaway ka album jingray kabala ay kerteng truly happy but kin sa ringdor ya kaway ka jingray jong ki ha cherry blossom but ka saudong saukun jong kanong ba Shillong.
Hey, we're Magic. What's up, guys? As you know, we're playing at the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival on November 24th, and we wanted to do something very special to make sure we'd remember it forever.
So, there's a song on our new album called Truly Happy. When we saw what Shillong looked like at some of the beautiful places, we said we got to shoot a music video there. So in the middle of our show, we don't know when in our show yet, we're going to shoot a music video, and we want you to be a part of it. So if you already got your tickets, you're in. If you have not gotten your tickets, come and make history with us in Shillong at the Cherry Blossom Festival. We cannot wait to see you guys.
Can't wait to see you guys. Peace.
Let's do this.